This is Justin with SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, right outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. And today, we're reviewing the 8.5 by 20 charcoal enclosed trailer with Blackout package. Coming to the front, we can see that this trailer has a V-nose design along with a full towing package, which includes the safety chain, coupler, breakaway cable, trailer connector, and a manual jack. Moving along to the right side, we can see that this trailer has screwed on panels. And moving along to the back, we can see that this trailer has a rear ramp loading gate that has two RV style locks, as well as the license plate bracket and light, and LED brake lights. This is how the ramp looks like when it's down. And moving along to the other side, we can see that this trailer has dual 5,200 pound axles, as well as 15-inch steel wheels and tires. We can also see that this trailer has a 36-inch side entry door, also with an RV style lock. Moving along to the interior, we can see that this trailer has a step for easy access to the interior, as well as a full plywood interior. This trailer has 4 D-rings, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. As well as 2 vents, one in the back lower passenger side, and the second being in the front upper driver's side. If you have any more questions, please call us at 615-641-7720. Have a great day.